Student, now today we will revise the topic trigonometry. Topic trigonometry. Student, as you know, there is a right angle triangle. Let this angle is theta, that is perpendicular, it is base B and this is H hypotenuse. Student, there are three main ratios: P upon H, perpendicular upon hypotenuse, base upon hypotenuse, and perpendicular upon base. These three ratios are called trigonometrical ratios, and P upon H is called sine of angle theta. It is cos theta, perpendicular upon base upon hypotenuse, and perpendicular upon base is tan theta. So there are three trigonometrical ratios. Sin theta is defined as perpendicular upon hypotenuse, and cos theta is defined as base upon hypotenuse. Then tan theta is perpendicular upon base. And if we take their reciprocal, so we will get 1 upon sin theta, which is called cosec theta, and it is hypotenuse upon perpendicular. And reciprocal of cos theta is sec theta, and it is hypotenuse upon base. And reciprocal of tan theta is called cot theta, which is base upon perpendicular. So student, there are 6 trigonometrical ratios: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cosec theta, sec theta, and cot theta. Now there is a relationship between tan theta and sin theta, cos theta. So tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. You have to learn this identity. Another is cot theta is cos theta upon sin theta. Now, student, there are 3 more important identities. That is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Then sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Third is cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. From these identity, there are important formulas. Sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta, or we can write cos square theta equal to 1 minus sin square theta. From second, we can write sec square theta equal to 1 plus tan square theta, and tan square theta equal to sec square theta minus 1. Then cosec square theta equal to 1 plus cot square theta, and cot square theta equal to cosec square theta minus 1. So these are the important formulas. We will use them. So now, trigonometric ratios for complementary angles. Student, one angle is theta, then this is 90 minus theta, or it is the complementary angle. There is a triangle A, B, C, angle B is 90, and angle A and C are complementary angles. Student, there is a formula, sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta, and cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. Tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta. So important logic is this: tan theta and cot theta, they are reciprocal of each other, and also they are complementary of each other. Then cot theta is 90 minus cot 90 minus theta equal to tan theta. Cosec 90 minus theta equal to sec theta, and sec 90 minus theta equal to cosec theta. Student, for the proof of this, see, this angle is theta. If we write sin theta or angle sin C means sin theta, it is AB upon AC. Here AB is perpendicular for the angle theta, and BC is the base, AC is the hypotenuse. If we write sin A, then it is sin 90 minus theta. For this is the perpendicular, so it is BC upon AC. Now, let it is 1, it is 2. Sin 90 minus theta. Student, BC upon AC is cos theta. It is cos theta for angle theta. So this is, since BC upon AC equal to cos theta, therefore we can write sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Student, this topic I have discussed, but that is not coming in this year. Okay, so this is the deleted part of the syllabus. Now student, let's come on the questions. So these are the important questions from the sample paper Sivdas. Here question is, if tan theta plus cot theta equal to 5, then find the value of tan square theta plus cot square theta. So student, for the solution, we will take the square of this. Tan theta plus cot theta equal to 5. Squaring, we will get tan theta plus cot theta whole square equal to 5 square. Now it is tan square theta, make the whole square, tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 tan theta into cot theta equal to 25. Students, since cot theta equal to 1 upon tan theta, therefore it is tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 into tan theta into 1 upon tan theta equal to 25. This is cancel out. Tan square theta plus cot square theta plus 2 equal to 25. From this we will get tan square theta plus cot square theta equal to 23.